Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Ethereum on MetaMask, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaMask app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaMask apps on the screen, where you can see the BNB chain at the top of this dashboard. Simply tap on that option. And now you can see the Ethereum main network, select that option, and now you can see the buy ETH at the middle of this screen. So simply tap on that option and complete your banking credentials, and you will be able to buy Ethereum on MetaMask app successfully. So basically this is how you can buy ETH on MetaMask, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.